Want to know how to add bio in Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add bio in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the edit profile option right beside the share profile. Here you can see different options. Now tap on the bio option at the second. Now either you can write the bio in the box or you can import the bio from Instagram. After writing the bio, tap on the tick option at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can add bio in Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.